Hanalicious.
Alright guys, so Elomas Manin is my name, and I've been posting a lot of my Hanalicious videos, and I've had a lot of questions like what do I use in editing my my videos. Some are also even assuming that I use AI to edit. I don't use AI because I love to use my creativity. I love to use the tools myself and then do the arrangement myself. So I don't use AI. I came across this this app on the App Store called the UCut. Yes, UCut, and that's what I use in my edits. Yeah, that's UCut. That's the app I use. So when I open the UCut, this is what happens. Yeah, so I open the UCut, and then this is the interface you see. So next is to press on the plus button, and then it brings up this. Usually if it's new, you wouldn't see all this. You're seeing all this because I've edited some items. So usually you will see the new project. So let's go to new project as a new user. So new project, and new project, because it's video that you're going to edit, it will take you to your videos. It will take you first to your videos. So let me select a video here. Okay. Let me use this video. So I select it, and then I click this sign, and it takes me to the editing interface itself. So this is where you see, this is the screen you see when you're editing, and here is the timeline. Okay, so here's the timeline. So I want to bring in another video. What happens on UCut is that you have to use picture-in-picture to bring in another video in order for the video to be on top of the main video, or for the videos to be on top of each other. In the timeline, you have to use the picture-in-picture. So, and then what I'm going to do right now is common on social media. People do it a lot. Somebody is sitting somewhere and then reacting to a video. So let's go. So in order to do that, I look through my menu, the menu here, and then there's this button here called the PIP. Okay, it's called the PIP. This is it, the PIP. I'm sure you can see it. Yeah, it's called the PIP, meaning picture in picture. So I click on the PIP, and it takes me to my videos again. So I look out for the videos that I want to put on top, or I want to put on my first video. Okay, so let me select this one. Yes, so it's here. You see, it's on top of the first video, the main video. And let me say again that when you import a video, when you bring in the first video, the software, the app is going to adapt to the aspect ratio or the orientation of the video, the orientation you use whilst filming. So if you filmed in portrait, it will come in portrait. It will set up the aspect ratio in portrait. If you filmed in landscape, it will set up the aspect ratio in landscape, just like you're seeing here. If I had done it in portrait, it would have come in portrait, but I filmed the first one in landscape. So that's how come you're seeing the landscape here. So let's move on. So this is my video. If it were you, it could be the video you want to react to. So this is the video, and you just hold it down, and you can move it across the screen anyhow you want. You can also scale up or scale down, depending on your choice. Scale up, scale down, and rotate as well if you want to. rotate as well if you want to. So I have scaled it a little down to the point where, to the size I want, and then I take it to the corner, wherever I want to place it. Voila. Yes, wherever I want to place it. That done, then I go to let me play. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So now I want to add text. I want to add a text. But first of all, I have to get rid of these or scale down, depending on your choice. Scale up, scale down, and rotate as well if you want to. Rotate as well if you want to. So I have scaled it a little down to the point where, to the size I want, and then I take it to the corner, wherever I want to place it. Voila. Yes, wherever I want to place it. That done, then I go to let me play. So that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So now I want to add text. I want to add a text. But first of all, I have to get rid of these handles on the video I place on top of the main video. These handles on the side. So I just have to click the empty space, and then I want to add a text this time round. I want to add a text, which some of you do. So when I click on the empty space, it brings up a menu. Okay, that's it brings up a menu where you find the text. So this is the text on the menu. There's the text. So I click on the text, and then I type anything I want to type. Okay, that done, I click on the check button here. Yeah. So with the text, same thing. I could scale up or scale down. Yeah, scale up or scale down, and then also move it to wherever I want to place it. Move it to wherever I want to place it. Move it to wherever I want to place it. Now, so in order to continue, let me play the video again and see something. Then play the video. All right. So you realize that, whilst I was playing the video, the text disappeared. Meaning that the text is not covering the entire video. The text is not covering the entire video. So what I want to do is, I want to move the text to the beginning of the video and then make sure that it covers the entire video. So I will press and hold on the timeline. I press and hold on the text and drag it to the beginning of the video. Yes, drag it to the beginning of the video, and then click on it again, okay, and hold this part of the text and drag it to the end of the video. You get it? Now, when you play, you realize that the text is covering the entire video. Yes, the text is covering the entire video. So, I mean, it's so easy to use, very convenient, very handy, but you need to be creative. You need to be creative. You need to be creative to use UCut. So I'm going to come up with a lot of stuff you can do with UCut. You can change the color of the text. You can animate it. You can cut and paste your videos and all that. Well, so I'm going to come back with more. Elomas Menin is my name. Please follow me on all social media platforms, like my videos, share your comments, express your views, and then let's take it from there. So thank you very much for the part 1 and then I'll come back